And, if you are trading stops down, this guy is our demon now at this point. These traders are still in control as long as they have holes. And what I don't want to do is start chasing too low end of day, because the longs are going to, try to defend end of day push. In the shorts, have had a great run from our resistance up there. Magnet at 75 zone, we said. So even with a flush here, knocking out these stops, it still may try to bounce from 75, say. So bring your stops down. This is a great trade, knocking out all of these lates. And the boys are vicious. They've got both sides. So I really like this trade. I think, judging where that 85, 84 and a quarter, it wanted to run the stops, and now it's come back into the middle. There's just a just a lights out day for anybody that's trying to play position. Well done. Stops down. And I want to shake those guys if we can, but be careful about a close where it bounces into the close. 74, 75 is the day's middle. So this is that 75 test, and there's going to be memory here, okay? And the reason there's memory is because some traders got beat earlier today, and they're going to try to get themselves out. So anybody gets into this 76 to 75, wonderful trade. And this is perfect to shake these guys out. And this is what they did. They ran both sides and then coming back in the middle. Gotta love this game. 30-minute chart, we said, possibly. Turns out to be the right chart. Just a lucky guess. All right, stops down, and it is now about a half an hour to go. And I said possibility we could test that 75. So getting close, guys. Anything goes in this territory now. This is a beautiful trade. And there will be profit taking from the short side too. So don't get complacent now. Right? Because anybody that just made this great trade, we said there's a contra. And if we got to the 75, I said even it still could jackrabbit into closing back there. So I liked this throwback line, and we said this target area in here, be careful. Beautiful trade. If you got this 76 zone, don't even think twice about it. Here's our new demon right there. Good defense at the 88. Right where we wanted it. This zone in here before, we said we'll try to hold. And that's a nice contra. So on the day's range, we said first things first, you got to get back to the 40, which is 78, and then 75 is the middle. And that's why I said be careful of the 75, snap back to the close back there at that 81 zone. Very content with this trade. And still got about half an hour left, but anybody that made this trade wants some profits no matter what. We could always flash, but I wasn't thinking that's what we're going to do. I got a nice trade there yesterday, but this keeps things nice and neutral here. So we said, think of 75 area, potential target, have breaks, then you can come down and test the 72s. And for sure right now, high of the day is probably in as well. The lows are in, highs are in, and range type trading right now. And I've got the low at 76.25 here. So 82.25 is the swing middle right now. Well done. And we said the pipe. If you'll recall, I said the pipe is 86 and 76. So that trade sequence is still intact. Let's think we said of the pipe. We'll review that again for those newer traders.